In this image, what is the most dominant color? Well, the most dominant color is green, and this green color comes from all the different leaves of different plants. Now, even these leaves are of different types, isn't it? As you can clearly see, they have different shapes, but the basic structure of every leaf is same. So what is that basic structure? This is the leaf in front of us, and the most prominent part is this in the middle. This is called midrib. So midrib is the central thick linear structure that runs along the length of the leaf. Central thick linear structure that runs along the leaf. That's midrib. Now we also have petiole. So this stalk that attaches the leaf to the stem of the plant. So you can clearly see that the stalk that attaches leaf to the stem. So this part here is petiole. Now let's come to lamina. So this entire part, this green part here, this is lamina. So a broad expanded blade attached to the plant stem by a stalk like petiole. So this entire thing is attached to the plant by this stalk like petiole. So this entire part is called lamina. Now there are also some fine structures. So as you can clearly see, these fine structures branching out of the midrib, these are called veins. So fine structures branching out of the midrib that provide structure to the leaf and also aid transportation of nutrients. So these veins have two major functions. One is they provide structure to the leaf, and they also aid transportation of nutrients in the leaf. And then we have further subparts of veins which are called veinlets. So from veins we have more branches coming out. These are veinlets. So further subparts branching out of the veins are veinlets. Now these veins are very important. In fact, their arrangement has a special term. It's called venation, and venation gives us further categories of leaves. So leaves can be further categorized on the basis of the type of venation or the type of arrangement of veins. So the arrangement of veins on a leaf is called venation. Now the first type of venation is called reticulate venation. What happens in reticulate venation? As you can clearly see, if you zoom in to this part, you will see that these branches are coming out in all directions from the midrib. So veins spread out in all directions from the midrib, forming a kind of network. So in the case of reticulate venation, this is what you get. Now, can you answer this question? In dash venation, veins spread out in all directions from the midrib. What type of venation is it? Well, it is reticulate venation. Now there is another type of venation. It's called parallel venation. Now what is parallel venation? Well, veins run parallel to each other. In this case, as you can clearly see, the veins are running parallel to each other. So you don't see the branching out network here. Even in the case of bamboo leaf, you can see the same. So common plants are banana leaf and bamboo leaf, which show veins running parallel to each other or parallel venation. So we have two common examples, apple and bamboo, and both of them show different types of venation. So in apple you can see reticulate venation, that is veins are branching out in all directions, and in bamboo you can see parallel venation, veins are parallel to each other. So when we talk about two different types of venation, we see that the basic structure is same in both of them. So the basic structure of leaf remains same, although the type of venation can change. So we have reticulate venation here and parallel venation here. You can see we have a midrib and we have a midrib here too. Now let's come to lamina. So we have a lamina here and we have a lamina here, isn't it? Now we have petiole here, we have petiole here too. So we have petiole in both the cases. And now let's come to veins. Now we have veins here, although they are branching out, but we have veins. Similarly, here we have parallel veins. So veins are present in this too. So what do we see here? That the basic structure remains same, but venation is different. One is reticulate venation and the other is parallel venation.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.